Mountain of Roses. I'm Archil Cruz Abayon with UE 1A First Year College. The Chaos by Gerald Knowles Trinity. There is creature in creation. Study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse. Sound like corpse, horse, and worse. I will keep you, Susie, busy. Make your head with grit grow dizzy. Tear an eye, your dress will tear. So shall I, oh hear my prayer. Just compare heart, bird, and herd. Dice and diet, lord and word. Sword and sword, retain and retain. Mind the latter, how it's written. Nor surely will not plague you with such words as plague and ague. But be careful how you speak. See brick and stick, but bleak and strict. Cloven, oven, how and low. Script, receipt, show, poem, and toe. Hear me see, devoid of trickery. Daughter, laughter, and terpsichore. Typhoid, measles, topsails, isles. Exiles, similes, and reveles. Scholar, vigor, and cigar. Solar, mica, war, and par. One anemone, balmoral. Kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel. Gertrude, German, wind, and mind. Sin, milpomene, mankind. Billet does not rhyme with ballet. Bucket, wallet, mullet, chalet. Blood and fluid are not like food, nor is mold like should and would. Viscous by count, lewd and brood. To word, to forward, to reward. And your pronunciation's okay. When you correctly say croquet, rounded, wounded, grieve, and save. Friend and friend, alive and live. Ivy, freebie, famous, clamor, and enamor rhyme with hammer. River, rival, tomb, bomb, come. Dull and roll, and some and home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger. Neither does not devour with clangor. Souls but fall, haunt but own. Font, front, want, ground, and ground. Shoes, ghost, dust. Now first say finger. And then singer, ginger, linger. Real zeal, move, goose, gouge, and gauge. Marriage, foliage, marriage, and age. Queer does not rhyme with very, nor does fury sound like bury. Those lost post and that cloth loot. Job, knob, bosom, transum, oath. Through the difference seem little, we see actual but victual. Refers does not rhyme with deeper. Foofer does and zipper, heifer. Meant, paint, senate, and sedate. Dull, ball, and George, eight, late. Scenic, Arabic, Pacific, science, conscience, scientific. Liberty, library, have, and heaven. Rachel, act, mustache, 11. We see hallowed but allowed. People, leopard, toad, but bowed. Mark the differences moreover between mover, cover, lover, clover. Liches, breeches, wise, precise. Chalice, but police and lies. Camel, constable, unstable. Principal, disciple, level. Petal, panel, and canal. Wit, surprise, split, promise, pal, worm, and storm. Cheese, chaos, chair. Senator, spectator, mayor, tor, but are and succor for. Gas, alas, and Arkansas. Sea, idea, Korea, area. Sal, Maria, but malaria. Youth, south, southern, cleans and clean. Doctorine, turpentine, marine. Compare alien with Italian. Dandelion and battalion. Sally with ally. Ye, I, way, and K. See ever but ever fever. Neither leisure skin deceiver. Heron, granary, canary. Crevice and device and airy. Face but preface, not efface. Flame, phlegmatic, as, glass, bass. Large but target, gene, give, virgin. Out, juice, and score, scorving. Air but earn and wear and tear. Not rhyme with hera but airy. Seven is right but so is even. Hyphen, Raffin, nephew, Stephen. Monkey, donkey, turk and jerk. Ass grabs was and cork and work. Pronunciation think of psyche is appealing, stout and spiky. Won't it make you lose your wits, writing groats and saying grits? It's a dark abyss or tunnel, strewn with stones, Stodes, Solis, Ganwell, Islington and Isle of Wight, housewife, verdict and indike. Finally, which rhymes with enough. Do, true, flew, or dough, or cough. High cough has the sound of cough. My advice is to give up.